So I recently picked up this little Vevor. I think it's a 1x36 belt sander for about $225 with free delivery. And I'm not sponsored, of course. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at it. For the price, you cannot go wrong for like a home guy, working in your garage. It comes with this platen that you can tilt it back and forth. You take that, loosen it up, and the whole thing flips sideways. And it comes with a wheel and another table, and of course the obligatory Allen wrench to put everything together. It takes a few minutes to get it all together, but I mean, for a guy just piddling around in his garage, you can't beat this thing. As you can see, I've been playing with it a little bit already, and it does the job. It will get really moving if you want it to, but you don't need to go that fast for what you're doing most of the time. That there's about half speed. You just get see it don't bog down. And there you go. I mean, that's pretty good for as little as this thing is. Because I mean, you can see it ain't huge, but it gets the job done pretty good for the price. So I just wanted to give you guys a little look see at what it's capable of. And there you go.